Even AI make mistakes, so teach AI your preference in vibe coding. Your AI writes brilliant code, but its logic is a tangled mess that's impossible to read and a nightmare to debug. You're wasting hours translating AI's genius into usable software. What if you could force it to write code that's not just functional, but flawlessly clear? In the next 90 seconds, we're building the Python blueprint that turns AI's logical chaos into pure clarity. Before we jump in, subscribe, comment below, get your coding vibe for today. When generative AI writes code, especially complex conditional logic, it often creates a tangled web of if statements. This code is hard for humans to read, a nightmare to maintain, and a breeding ground for hidden bugs. Today, we'll demonstrate a powerful Python refactoring technique that transforms this mess into simple, descriptive Boolean variables, making the AI's output crystal clear and dramatically more efficient. To get started, we'll ask our AI to generate a Python script demonstrating this exact problem. A function with messy conditional logic for user access check, and a second, clean function that refactors it using Boolean variables. Subscribe now, and we'll send you the full vibe coding prompt to replicate this yourself. First, we define the problem. This function shows a complex if statement, a monster generated by AI. It checks authentication, multiple roles, account status, age, and more in one unreadable block. It's functional, but impossible to debug. Now, the fix. We start refactoring by creating simple Boolean variables. We break down the logic for authentication and user roles. Each condition gets its own descriptive name, like is underscore authenticated, and has underscore proper underscore role. Next, we continue breaking down the conditions for account status, last login, and the user's age. Each check becomes a self-documenting variable like is underscore account underscore active, and is underscore of underscore valid underscore age. The complexity is dissolving into simple, readable lines. Finally, we handle the IP address validation and combine all our new Boolean variables. The final if statement now reads like a simple English checklist. It's clean, logical, and incredibly easy to understand at a glance. Let's see it in action. We run both the complex and refactored functions with various user examples. The outputs are identical, proving the logic is the same. But our refactored version is infinitely more readable, maintainable, and verifiable. By refactoring complex logic into descriptive Boolean variables, we don't just write better code, we create a blueprint for our generative AI to produce higher quality, more reliable, and easier to maintain solutions. This simple shift drastically reduces debugging time, enhances accuracy, and turns your AI into a true partner in building robust applications. Start engineering your AI's clarity today. Did you vibe code smarter today?